1965 Mercury Monterey Marauder two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 390 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Nicely restored vehicle. Let's take a look at the chrome up front on this one, the grille, headlight surrounds, a little bit of custom pinstriping, just enough to set off that light blue paint. White top. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing, 5-spoke flat black and polished wheels, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. There is a small photo album that will go along with the car of some of the restoration work that was done to it, mostly during the paint process and body work. Appears to be a pretty solid car what they started with, and that kind of shows now too. These panels are very straight. The paint was laid on nicely, and I have not noticed any corrosion or anything popping through any spots in the paint. And it is a little older restoration, although it still shows very well. Paint on the top, also very nice. As you can see, the side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws with the percentage of window tint that you can have, same as the rear window. Just a little bit of pinstriping above the Marauder logo and that checkered flag. Like I said, those lower rockers around the wheel wells, looking good. A few extras are going to go along with this. I see there's a couple hose clamps, looks like oil filter, a couple bright work pieces, little Marauder paraphernalia. We'll put that back in the trunk, send with the car. All right, dual exhaust, front to rear. Let's take a look at the chrome in the back of this car. So chrome still shows well also. This car checked out very well when it went through our service department with the service tech. One note, factory radio does work when the antenna's hooked up. It has an aftermarket radio in it right now, so the antenna's hooked up to that, just so you know. Brakes are like new, front and rear. Drivetrain, the most minor CP stated. New rear wheel cylinders. Battery was 2023. This one's ready to go. Get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. And once again, those still pictures, they all can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're a Mercury fan, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Once again, you can see those long panels, nice and straight. And if poor body work is done on those long panels, you know it shows very easily. I do want to point out there was a little star in the windshield right up there. Doesn't look like it's went anywhere, but there is a little rock chip with a star. Just to give you the heads up, it's way up above the rear view mirror and out of sight lines though. All right, about paint on that roof. Still looking good on the driver's side also. All right, interior door panels look great. This may very easily well be the original seats. Vinyl cloth combination. Same in the rear as the front. Very stock looking dash. It has had that center console added where this aftermarket stereo is. Tell you what, let's go ahead and fire this up. Odometer shows 69,483. I wouldn't be surprised if that was original miles. Unfortunately, I cannot confirm or deny that due to the fact that once the car is a certain age, The miles are not recorded in the title anymore. It's marked exempt. That 390 fires right up. Alright. See oil pressure coming up. Amp meter moved. Fuel gauge a little over half. Temp at C because that was a cold start. Unexpected to be up off that. Does not appear the clock's working. There's the factory stereo I was talking about. Previous owner states it does work as long as the antenna's hooked up to it. It is not. Antenna's running this one down here. I've not played around with this. Let's see. Find the station that comes in.
I ask everybody who denied this is just to go and
stereo is working. It's also what the tech stated. Top of the dash, everything looks good. Nice looking interior too. Love that headliner. Headliner looks good. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Look how the door closed. Let's listen. Little rumble coming out of that 390, nothing crazy over the top, too loud, just a nice sounding car. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. We got to get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. There it is. Big boy, 390. Power steering, power brakes. Battery disconnect for in between drives or when it's in storage. Nice looking engine bay. Nice smooth running V8. 1965 Mercury Monterey Marauder 2-door hardtop. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Mercury Marauder. This is a 2-door, beautiful bright blue, maybe teal colored machine inside and out. Automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. We have a JVC stereo. That is down below, mounted on a custom center console with storage and cup holders. The blower motor works on this car. The wiper's also working. Very cool Mercury head insignias here, and on the steering wheel, some of the fun styling that Mercury did all the way through the years. Looking around, the interior's in very good condition on this car. Kick panels, the door panels, seats, carpet, headliner, very nice. And a good color. A little bit of wind noise around those quarter windows. These being crank out, you open them a little bit, sometimes it gets better, but it's very slight. These are tinted windows, looking good. Our fuel gauge shows a half a tank. The volts are charging over halfway on the gauge, and the oil is a little over halfway as well. Temperature gauge a little under half on the gauge. And we do have a clock, though I don't see it counting seconds. The speedometer's working. Brakes feel good. Luxurious in the corners, as a lot of big cars from the 60s are. Very good power steering and easy to drive. A fun cruiser. Take a look at all the pictures of this Mercury at uniqueclassiccars.com.